Standard 6 SS Day 18. Children, today we are going to do worksheet of chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's begin the worksheet. Complete the worksheet in your notebook. MCQ type questions है, आपको लर्न भी कर लेना है. This can be come in any form. कोई भी पैटर्न में पूछा जा सकता है. Which is the oldest Veda? Answer is Rig Veda. What is collection of riches called? Sukta. Who formed Vedic prayers? Rishi Sikhs. Which Rishi Sikh had conversation with the rivers Bias and Satluj? Vishwamitra. Who performed yajnas and anushatnas? Answer Purohits. Sixth one. What did composers of prayers call themselves? Answer Arya. Seventh one. Before how many years was tradition of preparing used stone tombs started? Answer 3000. From the tomb of which village are 33 golden beads and conch shells found? Answer Braham village. B. People of which village buried the dead bodies in their homes only? Answer Inamgam. 10th one. From which village have archaeologists found the seeds and cereals? Answer is Inamgam. Same. Answers are here. You can copy the answer from here. Fill in the blanks. There are dash Vedas. Answer is 4. Dash is the oldest Veda. Answer is Rig Veda. There are more than dash riches in Rig Veda. 1000. The collection of dash is called Sukta. Riches. 5th one. Indra is god of war. 6th one. Special type of drink, Somras, was prepared from the creeper named Som. 7th one. Rishis composed the dash prayer, Vedic. 8th one. The language of Rig Veda is called dash Sanskrit or dash Sanskrit. Parak Sanskrit or Vedic Sanskrit. 9th one. The work of printing Veda is done only before 200 years. And last one. A few of suktas of Rig Veda are composed in the form of conversation. Complete this. You will get the PDF of this video, so not to worry at all. Dash and dash were offered in yajnas. Answer is ghee and cereals. The composer of prayer called themselves as Arya, Das or Dasyu. 3 blanks are there. So, composer of prayer called them Arya and their opponent as Das or Dasyu. Dasyu peoples reside in the nearby region of dash in Vedic period. Answer Punjab. 15th one. The tradition of preparing dash tombs was started approximately 3000 years before used stone. Here the answer is huge stone. 16.1. There are evidence of dash buried under huge stone below the ground. Answer, dead bodies. 17th one. Inamgam is situated on the bank of river dash, Meeting river. Answer, Ghod. मीटिंग रिवर का नाम है भीमा. The dead bodies were mostly buried in the homes, only in the village Inamgam. Complete the fill in the blanks and answers are given below. You can write the answer from here. Straight true or false. Next question, true or false. First one, there are more than 10,000 richas in Rig Veda. False. 1,000 richas hai. Second one, the Vedic prayers were composed by Rishi. True. Third one, the elephant and horses are given more importance in the Vedic society. False. Uses of horse was made to run chariot in the Vedic society. True. Fifth one, there was no permanent army in the Vedic society. True. Sixth one, the Sioux peoples perform yajnas and anusthans. False. ब्राह्मण यज्ञ करते थे और अनुष्ठान करते थे. The Sioux people, that is over. Archaeologists have found decorated huge stone of round shape from some places. True. Seventh one. True. Eighth one, all people were rich in the Vedic society. False. And ninth one, archaeologists have found seeds of jawar, maize, pulses, groundnut, cottonseed, etc. from Inamgam. False. Copy the true or false in textbook. Answer the following in one or two sentences. Again the MCQ has come, children. Second chapter MCQ. Which development developed tourist place on the coast of Gujarat from following? Answer is Tithal. C option. Second, in which zone does the major area of Gujarat fall? Answer is torrid zone. Third one, in which month there is maximum cold in Gujarat? Answer is January. In which month there is maximum heat in Gujarat? Answer is May. Fifth one, in which season there is Mauthu, unseasonal rain in Gujarat? In winter. Sixth one, which winds blow in Gujarat after month of May? Southwest wind. Seventh one, southwest wind. Seventh one, which fruit do you enjoy eating in summer? Mango. Eighth one, which is the inland river out of the following? Answer is Rupen. Ninth one, which is the largest river of Gujarat? Answer is Narmada. And on which river Dantewada project located? Answer is Banas. On which river is Dharod project located? Answer is Sabarmati. How long is sea coastline of Gujarat? Answer is 16,000 km. 13th one, which is the largest port out of following? Answer is Kandla. In which district are equatorial forests found out of following? Answer is Dang. D. Dang. 15th one. In which district are thorny forests found out of the following? Answer is Banaskantha. A. 16th one. In which district are mangrove tidal forests found out of following? Answer is Kutch. A. 17th one. Wood of which tree is used for pulp for preparing paper? Answer is bamboo. D. 17. D. 18th one. In which district is Dediyapada near sanctuary situated? Answer is Narmada. B. 18. B. 19th. In which district is Rampura sanctuary for blue bull is situated? Answer is Rajkot. C. 19. C. 20. In which district Dariyai National Park is situated? Answer is Jamnagar. B. Write the answers from here. Which mineral is used in cement industry? Answer is limestone. A. 22. Which of the following mineral is very useful in melting metal? Answer is fluorspar. Third, 23. Which of the following mineral is used to produce aluminium? Answer is bauxite. B. Third, 23. B. Which of following minerals is used to make pencil? Answer is graphite. 24. A. 25th. Which of the following minerals is used to produce zinc oxide? Lead. 25. C. Now, some answer the followings. Chapter number 3. Think, question and answer it. Why did people live in group in ancient time? In ancient time, people lived a wandering life in search of food. When they migrated from one place to another, they lived in group for their security. Second one. Find out synonyms of group leaders. How should a leader be selected according to you? Different synonyms for group leaders are Sardar, leader, Nayak. According to my option, group leader should be selected by secret voting system, by majority or unanimously. What similarities do you notice in today's democratic system and a Ganaraj administration system? The similarities between today's democratic system and a Ganaraj administrative system, यहाँ पे democratic और यहाँ पे गणराज्य administration. The representative elected by people sit in the parliament. They carry out the work of parliament majority or unanimously. The members of Ganarajya held meeting in Santhagar. They conducted the work of Sabha in democratic way by majority or unanimously. Second, the reading of bill is done thrice before it become a law. A bill become the law only after it is passed by majority or unanimously. Every proposal was presented thrice in the Sabha. If सेम है, मतलब जो पहले सिस्टम था वही अभी भी है और अभी का वही से पहला था। एवरी प्रपोजल वॉज presented thrice in the Sabha. If any member did not take objection, then it was declared accepted. Third one, voting in the parliament is done by secret ballot system. और गणराज्य में क्या करता है? There was arrangement for secret ballot system in Santhagar for members, one and the same. Answer the questions. What is local self-government? The institution which carry out the administration at the local level is called local self-government. Completed. Second one, which are the rural local self-government institution? Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, Jilla Panchayat are the rural local self-government institution. Third one, which are the urban local self-government institution? Municipality and municipal corporation are the urban local self-government institution. Fourth one, how many members are there in Gram Panchayat? There are at least 7 members in Gram Panchayat. Who is called Sarpanch? Answer, the head of Gram Panchayat is called Sarpanch. What is the function of Talati cum minister? Talati cum minister hold the office of Gram Panchayat, handle letters or of correspondence and maintain the record of register, etc. He prepare the report proceeding of Gram Panchayat and prepare registers. He prepare budgets and keep account. What is called Gram Sachivalay? The office of Gram Panchayat is called Gram Sachivalay. How many members are there in Taluka Panchayat? There are at least 15 members in Taluka Panchayat. By which name is the administrative head of Taluka Panchayat known? The administrative head of Taluka Panchayat is known by the name of Taluka Development Officer. 10th one, how many members are there in Jilla Panchayat? 31 members. Next question. See, after this chapters you will get one revision. Okay, that is not your exam revision, that is your textual revision. So we are going to complete this textual revision also. Your textual revision. Let us think and question the answer. On the basis of which remains of Houston can be society diversity be known? See the questions 2 of exercise question and answer of chapter number 1. Chapter 1 में जो आंसर नंबर 2 दिया है वो वाला आपको लिखना है. What is the difference between the ancient and the present social life? खुद से प्रिपेयर करना है. First thing and answer you must have to write. Fourth one, which difficulties will arise if there are no local self-government governed institution? Which is the oldest scripture? Rig Veda is the oldest scripture. Make a list of religions book in a different religion. यहाँ पे हम बनाए हैं. रिलीजन का नाम है जैन है, पारसी, क्रिश्चियनिटी. बुक्स उनकी है जैन लोग की है 45 अगामास, पारसी की अवेस्ता और क्रिश्चियन की बाइबल. यहाँ पे रिलीजन का नाम है बुद्ध, उनकी बुक है त्रिपिटका. त्रिपिट सिख की ग्रंथ साहिब, इस्लाम की कुरान शरीफ। What is the relation between agriculture, industry and transportation? Write the answer. This is your revision. You must have to do by yourself. Then after we are giving the answers just for your knowledge. Complete the additional question in your notebook. Write one time. Thank you, children.